friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing and I painted the bathroom. Here we go. I painted the bathroom. It's not white anymore. It's called Sparkling Sage. I did it all in one night last week, Friday, from the time I got home to midnight. And yeah, I love it. I don't know. I don't want to mess up the camera, but see? Ooh la la. Anyway, it's beautiful. We're gonna open up our Stitch Fix with our trusty rusty screwdriver. I don't know why that was so loud. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below. You would get $25 towards your first fix. I would get credit as well. I really appreciate it when you use it, but no pressure. Pressure. All right, we're gonna dump her out. We did it. There. We did it. All right, they send you back the mailer, which is on the floor, to send back the things you do not want to keep. They send us a note about how to style stuff. And we still have Hallie. Okay, I assume it's pronounced Hallie. It's H-A-L-L-E. So, hi Rachel, happy fix day. I hope that you are doing well. I'm thrilled to see you've chosen some vibrant red blouses for your fix. I did, I forgot that. To complement these, I've included a dark gray Bobo sweater and a black Fortune and Ivy top, both of which were in your freestyle saved items. The dark gray sweater will beautifully layer over either of your red blouses, offering a sophisticated contrast that's perfect for cooler evenings. For a more constructed look, the black Fortune and Ivy top can be paired with the green 151 wide leg crop pants, creating a chic and modern silhouette that's sure to turn heads. This combination is ideal for a day at the office or a casual outing, blending comfort with style seamlessly. I can't wait to hear your thoughts once you try everything on. Cheers, Hallie. Thanks, Hallie. They are bright green. They're bright green. All right, and then they send you the price list, which we'll go over at the end. I got a new chair, too. It's smaller. I don't know. Yay. Okay, here we go. Oh, you want to see the bundle? I almost tore into it. In my last Wantable video, I tore into it without showing the bundle. And hence I did not have a thumbnail picture, so I just had to go with what it gave me. But here's the bundle. She's looking kind of Christmassy. That's soft. Okay, now we can tear into it. Here we go. She is red. Ooh, and she's kind of silky. The back is a stretchy material and the front is not. But look at her. She's got buttons. Those buttons do not button anything. There's no holes over here to button them, so I'm interested to see how low that goes. And then they have buttons on the sleeve. That's cute. I like that. Oh, sorry. I haven't filmed a video for a couple weeks, so I kind of stockpiled them a little bit because we were doing stuff up here. Fortune and Ivy, Eliana, mixed material blouse in size red. My hair is weird today. I don't know. No, it's not. It's fine. And then we have the Fortune and Ivy Serena collared surplice knit top in black, size large. She has a modesty snap. She has a collar. She has a banded bottom. She has a lot going on, just like me. This is not stretchy at all, so we shall see. 9 Britain Ivana short sleeve blouse in red. This is not a red, well, it is red, but it's a different red. This is more like a brick red, I would say. And she also has a modesty snap. Oh, but the surplice, whoa. The surplice is like a scalloped edge, if you can see that. So that's kind of cute. We shall see. Oh, the bottom has elastic. So the bottom part's stretchy. This is, oh, you see that texture? It kind of reminds me of a floor mat. But maybe it'll be cute. Bobo Bray, B-R-A-Y-E, elbow sleeve bolero sweater in dark gray. So it's meant to be this little shorty short guy. Yeah. And then we have the pants, which are 151 Veda wide leg crop in green. Look at that green. There she is. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna try the red shirts on with the green pants because that's just gonna be too Christmassy, and it's gonna be what? April, May when you see this? So we don't need that. We don't need Christmas right now. Anyway, okay, let's try stuff on. Here's the first red top. She's very red. You can really see my wall color now, I feel like. The dark door and the white trim and the sparkling sage. Anyway, here's the top. I think it's cute. I think the neckline's really nice. This isn't a large, and I think it's okay because the back is stretchy. I think it's nice. If I were at work, you know, I got the perfect pair of work pants at Kohl's. I don't know, let me know if you want a video on that. But I would tuck it into those because my work pants are like pleated and they have a tie, like a bow, and they're like a wide leg, which, proud of me, they're like a wide leg, and then they have like cargo pockets on the side too. But I think this top's really cute. I think it's cute. I like it, the blousiness of it when it's just tucked a little bit. I think it's cute. I know some of you don't like tucking, but look at it, gives me a waist as opposed to if I have it all out. I don't know, it's fine both ways. But yeah, I think this one's really cute and bright and red and nice for spring. Let's do more. This one's really cute too. I like the elastic because like you wouldn't really wear it like that. I feel like you think it's meant to more, the elastic part go up to the smaller part of you so that it drapes and like that. I would go up a size in this because the material's not stretchy at all. So like at the modesty snap, it's coming open there. But I really like the neckline. I like that scalloped edge. I think it's really cute. Yeah, I mean, the modesty snap, I have a cami on under this. So you could wear it with like a pretty cami under that too, I feel like. Except you'd see the snap part right there. But I think that's cute. I like it. I don't know, I don't know, I kind of like this one. Maybe even a little better if I went up a size. I like how bright this one is. All right, let's do the last outfit. I'm gonna put everything together. Hello. Okay, I thought that was a string. My hair is getting so long, you guys. I've been trying to grow it out, but now that it is, I'm like, I just don't know what to do with it. Anyway, this top, it's cute. Again, with my bosom's just so big. So like, even though this is stretchy and it has that modesty snap, it's like, it's not hitting me right. Bring my cami down a little. Otherwise, it's really cute. It's got a collar, little tiny collar. The band is elastic. Is it? Kind of. It's cute top. Cute top. It's cute top. Pants, I like the color, I just don't like the fit. They buttoned up fine, it's just that, I don't know, with the pockets like right here, it really accentuates that area, and I'm not about that. Let's see if I can get a longer shot. Someone had commented that I needed longer shots, and it's like, well, yeah, I'm in a bathroom. So I can only do what I can until my other rooms are done, so. But now look how little I look. Anyway, here's the pants. Pockets, 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 pockets. Let me show you the length. Hello, hello, real time. Here's the length of the pants. So, woo, like an asparagus. They're cute. Let's put this on. I feel like I'm not giving it a fair shot by trying it on with these two items that I'm not going to keep. But here it is. Sorry, I know it's a weird angle because I moved you so far back. We'll move you up some more. How's that? How's that? But pretend this top fit right. Pretend I like these pants. Pretend my head wasn't cut off. Oh man. Okay, here we go. It's cute. I'm not gonna keep it. I do like that she looks through my saved items and sends me things, so that way I can try it without buying it from my freestyle, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's pretty soft. All right, it's between those two red tops. Let's go over prices and see what I'm gonna keep, or if I can exchange the one for a bigger size. Prices. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stuff. When I turned the camera on, I almost said, thank you for holding. Because why not? All right, the Bobo. Oh, by the way, this is number fix 120 for me. I've been doing this for 5 years now. It'll be 5 years in May that I've been doing these videos, which is crazy. The Bobo Bray Elbow Sleeve Bolero Sweater in dark gray, $68. The 9 Britain Ivana Short Sleeve Blouse in red, $40. Which one was that? This one? Yeah, this one. Ivana. So only $40. I like that top. That's a unique top. This one is too, with the buttons and everything, but I really like that one. So I'm gonna see, hold on, real time. Let me log on to their app and I'll see if I can exchange it. In the meantime, the 151 Beta wide leg crop in green, only $49. They were really soft, those pants. Fortune and Ivy Eliana mixed material blouse in red, $40. So both the red tops were $40. And then the Fortune and Ivy Serena collared surplice top in black, $45. So I'm on the app right now and exchange. Yep, there's an extra large available. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna exchange it for the extra large. So when you do an exchange, they will charge you because you're keeping that top. But if it turns out like I tried on, I think I can still return it. I think. I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. I liked her. I liked her a lot. So yeah, hopefully that extra large will fix the like gapping issue. And yeah, the total of the box was $242. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making it $181.50 because I did finally use all my credit. Sad. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, comment something red. A red flower, a red heart, something red for the red top I'm keeping. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.